So the richest Igbo man alive, Arthur Eze, gives Anambra state government 5 billion naira for him to share to Anambra as palliatives. Before I continue with what I want to say, watch the video first.
We have a man who helped us to solve it. We have the money, but how can we shy? Can you shy here? It's a war. Only Governor Soludo will know how to shy. Now, my dear Governor, I don't want to waste time. I will buy you 5 billion naira. Adding next year. So you can share it where you feel that is good. 5 billion naira.
Before I'm going to you, Arthur Eze achọrọ m ikene ego gị odogwu ka ịbụ. Because ama m n'ịdị mgbe eme bụ nke abụrụ nke isi na-eme ịdị mgbe eme. I really want to thank you for having this heart, for at least bringing out the money. And kene ego gị first na try. Mana sir, if you have been in Nigeria for years and you have been seeing what our government is doing, in all sincerity in you, sir, ịma na ego a ga-ana na it is well. Ịmagoro ama that na this ego in the Anambra state government na a farmer in Anambra state, even a civil servant, ama elite ma pin n'ime ego donate to federal government during the time of COVID-19 for palliatives. How many people with anything, even common gari, even one cup of gari? How many people could telaka? How many? Only the malaka. Nke Buhari, nke Tinubu kelundi Nigerian state, all states this recently, ma rice, some other things. Mado ne ketelu one cup of rice ni those palliatives anini. Mado ne, because mo little ma 1 naira nkete. Egi ne Anambra state government ke kelundi Anambra, man na that ega anago. They just dachi a politicians say kafalie. Ega kale ba ulu mo buni ega we law, obulu industry law, ka people lo bolo. Obuni ega we empower schools. Or Nija we empower Ghana hospital, which many people on a hospital today. Then we go for a discharge for the hospital bills for. Obuni we clear their debt. History will remember you, even the poor will remember you for that. Obolo ega we put up with skill acquisition program. Name them mad about 2 million for you set their life up. Poor people will appreciate it more. You just will enrich politicians in Wegolego already. That is the simple fact. Let's not lie. That is the simple fact. Even if you don't agree with this video, what I'm saying here today now. This 5 billion I'm with an emalite 1 naira nimi and wanaga be defend the video. Emalite ma 1 naira nimi. Let's not lie. Palliative Tinubu nyelu Anambra state, mado nilite legoni, mado nilite nimi. Nke in all the states, mado neni munu kete even ma 1 cup of rice. Palliative ni man kedangote wote time COVID-19. Man ke fire Arthur Eze with the federal government. Ego ni ne with the logo just to support Nigerians during the time of COVID-19. Mado neni munu ketel up even my 100 naira ketinimia. Whatever is worth doing well. We know Nigeria already. We know how corrupt the system is. Giving out this money to the government for them to share to the citizens will not work. It has never worked before. And I assure you that this one will also not work. How this money will go, me and you will not even know about it. That one.